All right, welcome back. There we go. You can see the 15mm square grids placed onto the base of my marble maze. And you'll know they're 15 by 15 because that's in your design brief. It's part of your limitations, and you would have written in your criteria for success that you have a space 15mm wide for the marble to move through. Before I go any further, I'm actually going to make all of this a component. Actually, no, I'm not, because I'm not sure if it'll make the grid lines stay there. No, I won't. Just leave it how it is. Alright, so I'm going to build some walls now to make our maze. And you guys should be familiar with using the rectangle tool. Click and drag. I'm going to work in blocks of 15. So 15, 30, 45, 60, right up to 120. So I'm going to go 120 space 3, comma 3. And I'm going to pull it up 15mm, 15, enter. You should all be familiar, 3 clicks, make it a component. Yes. And you should be able to grab it and move it into your maze. There we go there, just zoom in. Pick it up, there we go. Get it up a bit higher. Now this tool over here, our little zoom in tool, allows you to get right in. I'll just move it in there. I want to really look at this corner section here so that I can get this corner down onto the line. There we go, it says online, click, and I'll just come off, and there we go, nice and neat and in place. Alright, so that's my 120, 10, 15, 30, 45, so I'm going to do another one 45. So I'll just create a bit of space. I'm going to show you a couple of things with this one. So 45, comma 3, enter, pull it up, 15, enter, just come off. Now click on it again. Let's just zoom in on, what have I got here? Ah, it did work. I'll just get rid of that one. So click on it so it's blue, Control C, Control V. That just did the line. Just zoom around that one. There we go. So 1, 2, 3. Just make sure I made it a component. Can't remember if I made it a component. And then if I go Control C, Control V, I can make a number of those ones exactly the same at 45mm. Now also, while I've got them here, at the moment, they're all a horizontal axes. If I click on one of them and make it blue, then come down to my rotation tool and click on the rotation tool and bring the blue surface over, click once, drag the black away, keep it on the green line. See how it's changing to black? You want to keep it on the green line. That means it's at 90 degrees. Click again and then rotate your piece around and click again. And there we go. So that's how you go about rotating those pieces. So we learnt copy, we learnt rotate, and we'll just get them in a little bit closer to our maze. Then we can start putting them in the position, because I'm going to show you one more thing before I let you go and build your maze. So I'll bring it in nice and close. Let's just grab these little suckers, bring them in a bit closer. You can see how I'm just using the corner of the other one to bring them up. Alright, so we've got one there. Let's bring this one over to the on edge, and I'm going to get in a lot closer to that one, so I can use, let's see if my little tool will bring us in closer. Grab that. There it is. Whoop, that's the floor. There we go. It's on that side of the line, so I'll just bring him over. There we go. All right, and then I'll bring this one here over. Click. Make it blue. Forgot to make it blue. Whoop, too many clicks. Blue. Click and drag. There we go. Click it into space and grab this one. Click, drag. Alright, so how are we looking? Alright, I wanted to make a component. Let me just put one more. Let's move this one over here. Go into there. We'll bring this one over here. What I'm going to do is show you how to make a component. Come on. Out of some pieces already in place, so you can just replicate them. So let's get in there. Just make it a bit bigger. You can just see a little gap there, so let's select it, make it blue. Grab your move tool. I'm going to click that one with that one, and then I'll make this one blue, and I'll click that one with that one. I'll just click off, and then what I'll do is I will select this one, blue, hold down the shift key, this one and this one, right mouse click, go make component, go OK, and then Control C, Control V, and there we go. I've got another component that I can simply quickly drag straight in and put it wherever I want to put it. Whoop. Just click. So I can actually make components and pop components in there, and if I want I can also rotate that component. So see how it all clicks on blue. I can pick up my rotate tool, bring it over, click, click, drag around, click, whoop. So you can make a number of components that you can move around in your maze. All right, might leave it there. It's been a little bit of a longer one today. So what did we cover off? We covered off zooming in, we covered off rotating, and moving and clicking on your corner points. All right, so I might leave you there and let you go and populate your maze, and I'll see you in the next video.